Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn questions and answers that can help you to communicate in English. Uyu munsi wa none tugiye kwiga ibibazo n'ibisubizo byagufasha kuganira mu rurimi rw'Icyongereza. What do you see in the mountains? What do you see in the mountains? Ni icyo ubona mu misozi. I see trees, houses and plants. I see trees, houses and plants. Mbona ibiti, inzu ndetse n'imisozi. Are there many trees? Are there many trees? Hari ibiti byinshi? Yes, there are many trees. Yes, there are many trees. Yego, hari ibiti byinshi. Are there houses in the mountains? Are there houses in the mountains? Hari ibiti, hari inzu mu misozi. Yes, there are some houses. Yes, there are some houses. Yego, hari inzu zimwe na zimwe. Is the mountain big? Is the mountain big? Umusozi ni munini? Yes, the mountain is big. Yes, the mountain is big. Yego, umusozi ni munini. Do you see animals there? Do you see animals there? Ubonayo inyamaswa? Yes, I see some animals. Yes, I see some animals. Yego, mbonayo inyamaswa zimwe na zimwe. What color are the trees? What color are the trees? Ibiti bisa bite? The trees are green. The trees are green. Ibiti bisa icyatsi. Are the plants tall? Are the plants tall? Ibimera ni birebire? No, the plants are small. No, the plants are small. Oya, ibimera ni bito. Is the sky clear? Is the sky clear? Ikirere gisa neza? Yes, the sky is clear. Yes, the sky is clear. Yego, ikirere gisa neza. Are there flowers on plants? Are there flowers on the plants? Are there flowers on the plants? Hariho indabo ku bimera? Yes, there are flowers. Yes, there are flowers. Yego, hariho indabo. Do people live in the houses? Do people live in the houses? Abantu baba mu mazu? Yes, people live there. Yes, people live there. Yego, abantu babayo. Is the weather cold in the mountains? Is the weather cold in the mountains? Ikirere kirakonja mu misozi? Sometimes it's cold. Sometimes it is cold. Sometimes it is cold. Rimwe na rimwe kirakonja. Do you like the mountains? Do you like the mountains? Ukunda imisozi? Yes, I like them. Yes, I like them. Yego, ndayikunda. Can you see rivers near the mountains? Can you see rivers near the mountains? Ushobora kubona inzuzi hafi y'imisozi? Yes, I can see rivers. Yes, I can see rivers. Yego, nshobora kubona inzuzi cyangwa se imigezi. Are the trees tall or short? Are the trees tall or short? Ibiti ni birebire cyangwa ni bigufi? The trees are tall. The trees are tall. Ibiti ni birebire. Is there a road in the mountains? Is there a road in the mountains? Hari umuhanda mu misozi? Hari umuhanda mu misozi? Yes, there is a road. Yes, there is a road. Yego, hari umuhanda. Are there many animals in the mountains? Are there many animals in the mountains? Hari inyamaswa nyinshi mu misozi? Yes, there are many animals. Yes, there are many animals. Yego, hari inyamaswa nyinshi. Do you see birds in the sky? Do you see birds in the sky? Ubona inyoni mu kirere? Yes, I see some birds in the sky. Yes, I see some birds in the sky. Yego, mbona inyoni zimwe na zimwe mu kirere. Are their houses new? Are the houses new or old? Are the houses new or old? Inzu zirashaje cyangwa ni nshya? The houses are old. The houses are old. Inzu zirashaje. Do you want to visit the mountains? Do you want to visit the mountains? Ushaka gusura imisozi? Yes, I want to visit them. Yes, I want to visit them. Yego, nshaka kuyisura. Are the plants near the houses? Are the plants near the houses? Ibimera biri hafi y'amazu? Yes, they are near. Yes, they are near. Yego, biri hafi. Is the ground dry or wet? Is the ground dry or wet? Ubutaka buratoshye cyangwa se burumagaye? The ground is dry. The ground is dry. Ubutaka burumagaye. How many trees do you see? How many trees do you see? Ubona ibiti bingahe? I see many trees. I see many trees. Mbona ibiti byinshi. Are there people walking? Are there people walking? Hari abantu bagenda n'amaguru? Yes, there are people. Yes, there are people. Yego, hari abantu. Is there a big tree near the house? Is there a big tree near the house? Hari igiti kinini hafi y'inzu? Yes, there is a big tree. Yes, there is a big tree. Yego, hari igiti kinini. What animals do you see? What animals do you see? Ni izihe nyamaswa ubona? I see goats and birds. I see goats and birds. Mbona ihene ndetse n'inyoni. Are there any cars? Are there any cars? Hariyo imodoka? No, there is no cars. No, there is no cars. Oya, nta modoka zibayo. Do you hear any sounds? Do you hear any sounds? Wumva amajwi runaka? Yes, I hear birds singing. Yes, I hear birds singing. Yego, numva inyoni ziririmba. Is the mountain high? Is the mountain high? Umusozi ni muremure. The mountain is very high. The mountain is very high. umusozi ni muremure cyane. Do you see the sun? Do you see the sun? Ubona izuba? Yes, I see the sun. Yego, mbona izuba. Is the river clean or dirty? Is the river clean or dirty? Umugezi usa neza cyangwa uranduye? The river is clean. The river is clean. Umugezi usa neza. Are there many insects? Are there many insects? Hariyo udukoko twinshi? Yes, there are many insects. Yes, there are many insects. Yego, hari udukoko twinshi. How many people live there? How many people live there? Ni abantu bangahe babayo? About 50 people live there. About 50 people live there. Abasaga 50 babayo. Abantu basaga 50 babayo. Do children play outside? Do children play outside? Abana bakinira hanze? Yes, children play outside. Yego, abana bakinira hanze. Are there any animals you cannot see? Are there any animals you cannot see? Hariho inyamaswa utabasha kubona? Yes, some animals hide. Some animals hide. Inyamaswa zimwe na zimwe zirihisha. Can you hear the wind? Can you hear the wind? Ushobora kumva umuyaga? Yes, I hear the wind blowing. Yes, I hear the wind blowing. Yego, numva umuyaga uhuha. Is the mountain near a city? Is the mountain near a city? Umusozi uri hafi y'umujyi? No, it is far from the city. No, it is far from the city. Oya, uri kure y'umujyi. Oya, ni kure y'umujyi. Do people use cars there? Do people use cars there? Abantu bakoresha imodoka aho ngaho? No, they mostly walk. No, they mostly walk. Akenshi bagenda n'amaguru. Is the sun hot? Is the sun hot? Izuba rirashyuha? Yes, the sun is hot. Yego, izuba rirashyuha. Are there fruits growing? Are there fruits growing? Hakura y'imbuto? Yes, they are fruit trees. Yes, they are fruit trees. Yego, hariyo ibiti by'imbuto. What do people do for fun? Abantu bakora iki kugira bishimishe? What do people do for fun? Abantu bakora iki kugira bishimishe? They sing and dance. They sing and dance. Bararirimba bakanabyina. Do you see any birds' nests? Do you see any birds' nests? Waba ubona ibyari by'inyoni? Yes, there are nests in the trees. Yes, there are nests in the trees. Yego, habayo ibyari by'inyoni mu biti. Is the ground soft or hard? Is the ground soft or hard? Ubutaka buroroshye cyangwa se burakomeye? The ground is soft. The ground is soft. Ubutaka buroroshye. Do people fish in the river? Do people fish in the river? abantu baroba mu ruzi. Yes, they fish for food. Yes, they fish for food. Barobera ibyo kurya.